Let's go. Let's do this. It was kind of a combination. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am gonna be doing a hair tutorial for you today. I just got these new IGK products. I'm sure you guys have seen them everywhere. I did get the Meteor and the Moon Rock one. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna use today. I've also seen them being mixed, so I might do that, especially because my hair has, you know, the lightness in there. I'm gonna keep it pretty simple, but I thought that it would be fun to kind of put a little short hair tutorial together for you guys using this foam. And yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing what I do with my hair, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I zoomed you guys in, and what I'm really thinking I'm gonna do is just kind of doing like braids on the side. I mean, my hair is actually curling well today, so I don't want to mess with it too much. So I'm gonna do 2 braids and kind of have them back like this, and then we'll go from there. So I like my braids to pop out. I just feel like it looks better. Just personal preference, you know. So I'm taking my 3 strands, and to make them pop out, you're gonna take the strands and go underneath. Now I am gonna be bringing hair in just to make sure that it is fuller. Honestly, if it turns out messy, that's okay. Messy hair is in, so work with it, girl. Work with it. How have y'all been? I feel like I haven't been on here in so long, and I feel so bad. I hate that. I hate that I did that. But listen, sometimes life just gets to you. You can't do anything about it, you know? Okay, so I am gonna just take that much hair in and just start to braid down. Now before I bobby pin anything to my hair, what I wanna do is kind of make this braid look fuller, so I'm gonna be separating it a little. If you hear anything, my cat is going crazy. He's been like this all morning. So I'm terribly sorry. And I am just lightly pulling. Like I said, if it looks messy, work with it because it's in, so why not? And then I'm just going to be taking my bobby pin and we are gonna pin it back. Now, if you don't know, when you're using a bobby pin, can you guys see that? See the shorter end that's like rigid? That end is the end that you actually wanna put in upside down because it's gonna help your hair kind of grab to everything and really hold it tight in there. Seriously, I'm filming. They don't need to hear you sassy. Okay. I am gonna go and do the other side quick, and then I'll pop back on here and we will add the foam to our hair and see how that looks. Okay guys, so pretty easy, pretty simple. Just braided it down a little bit, pulled it out like I showed you, and I pinned them back. I am gonna go in with the Moon Rock first, so it looks just like this. It's like the pink foam. I just kinda wanna see how this is gonna work, and I'm really scared. Here we go. So it comes out just like that, and I am just gonna take it and rub it on my hair. Whoa, it's like crackling. That's weird. It's like popping in my hand. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I feel like a unicorn. And I am just bringing that up into my hairline, and we are blending it down and out. So this can definitely get messy. I can totally see where that would come in, but guess what? It's totally worth it when your hair looks like this. Excuse me. Leo's like smelling my camera. All right, you guys, so this is my hands. I like wanna touch my face with it because it's so cool, but we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. Honestly, I don't think that I want to do the other one, but for the sake of y'all, because I love you, we are just gonna go ahead and do it. So that was Moon Rock. Now this one is Meteor, and this is what the bottle looks like. It's gonna be a kind of a darker foam. I'm not gonna take as much from this one as the other one. Woo! Just because I don't want it to get too dark. Leo's looking at me like, Mom, what are you doing? Can you guys hear that? See it bubbling? And I'm gonna pull these apart a little bit. Okay, so now that my hands look like a crazy mess, I'm gonna go wash them and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, that is honestly it. It's super easy, it's fun. Why not get them? I will link where you can buy them down below in my description box. I hope that you enjoyed this mini tutorial with your hair. If you even don't want to do the foam, it's still a really cute, fun look that you can kind of get your bangs out of the way, and you know, it's like 5 minutes. Out the door, you're good to go. If you guys liked this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do upload every week. It was just that last week was crazy. Well, I guess this week was crazy. It's not an excuse, but I'm getting you guys up a video on Friday, so. And yeah, that is all for this tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.